How good am I?
Yeah, I lost some. So we've got a customer's CLA35 in. So what we'll do, we'll change the grille from a standard AMG one to like the Panameric GT style one. So yeah, that's what we'll do in this video. Show you how we do it. Hit thumbs up, leave us a comment, and catch back in a bit. So first what we've got to do, we've got a couple of Torx 25 bolts I think on there, and there's a couple of 8mm bolt in the wings there, so it holds like the bumper and the wing together, so it's in there. So we'll remove them first and then lift the car up and get all the clips out from the wheel arches and from the bottom. So yeah, so it's Torx 2025. Haven't got any 8mm sockets there. I lost some. Should be a long one and a short one. So that's all the top bolts out. We'll now lift the car up, work around the wheel arches at the bottom of the bumper. Right, so go on the torch. Okay, so what have we got inside there? So there's 1, 2, 3 plastic push clips in there that we need to remove, and there is a 3 10mm bolt that hold the, I think it's the under tray. Yeah, so it holds the bumper in a liner with the under tray on. So we'll remove them and then move on to the other side. Yeah, like a push clip. So basically there's a middle bit and the main bit, so you pull the middle bit out and then pull the rest of the clip out. All of them out. We'll move on to the other side, remove all of them. Right, so this side's all out. We'll get onto the bottom side. We'll have a look what's there, what we need to remove. So there is 8mm bolt there, 8mm bolt there, same on the other side, and a couple of Torx 25s in the middle, so we can get the under tray part off. And yeah, it looks like that's about it on this. I know on the some of all the models there's bolts around there in the middle that you can get access from the bottom to remove it. It's normally like a 10mm. I'm not too sure about this. We'll remove the under tray part and then have a look, see what's there. Bit. Same on this side, another 2 8mm bolts. Obviously this bit's called on by the 3 bolts on the side that we removed, and two of them. So right, what we've got next. 13mm maybes. Did I guess it right? So let's see before I try it. So it's 13mm. Oh. It's not? No? No? Oh, look at that, how good am I? Check me. The Torx. Does this part come off now? This most likely will come off when the actual bumper is off. I just want to peek in there. Oh, this is actually steel on the tray. It's normally plastic. Right, it looks like we've got them all out. So we'll try to get the bumper off. Oh, right there. What? So that's them, but we still need to do the actual bolts that hold the bumper in place there. So we'll go to the other side because we've already turned the wheel there. So what have we got? So there's two. There's two 10mm bolts, one there and one further in. So we'll remove them now. miss me. Okay, so what we've got, so we need to get to the inside one. So yeah, there's two 10mm bolts hold the bumper up in there, so one there, one there. Okay, so I'll do that on the side, and that should be the last ones. That's all of them out. I'll try to lower the car back down so we can pull the bumper off. Where's the electric connections? Is that there? Parking sensor. That. On this side we've got the big connection there. Kind of pull it out and then push it down to unclip it. So that is the bumper off. So that's the radar there. So we'll have to remove that. There's no bolts, there's a lot of like plastic push clips on there, so we'll have to get all of them out, and I think that's about it. Yeah, so this just one pops like that, quite easy. And like plastic clips on all the ends, and like little pins on the bottom side there. Quite tricky to come out. To take out, you don't want to snap them or snap the grille or anything like that. So have to be quite careful with it. Right. So next we need parking sensors out. it's held in by these end bits, so basically goes in easy, but to take out it fixes on these little pins. Alright, we'll try to work our way around to get these out. So I'll tend to put my hand underneath it, put a bit of pressure on, and then just literally push the clips. So kind of pull it up, but push the clip away at the same time, so it just pops off. Because if you just push it, it doesn't go anywhere. Done. Top. Right, and that's the grill out. For these you can also get like black replacement badges to go on there. In this case, we're just going to reuse the original one from this grill to go in there. So to get this one out, literally need to take it and twist it, which doesn't happen easily. Okay, sure, maybe took it out while it was still in the bumper. So. Oh, I found the trick. You can get like a screwdriver or something through this hole, and there's like a lip on there. You can basically try to force it, so you've got a bit more strength, and then half with your other hand to push on there, and it starts to twist. And that's it. That's the badge out. Easy peasy. Half an hour later. The older ones were alright because they were like 3D, so you could actually get your hands far enough in, where with this one, like there's nowhere to catch on it really, so it's a little bit harder. Right, so the new grill, it's also marked on the badge where the top is, so make sure when you're putting it back in, you put it in the same direction, because otherwise it will not fit. So put a little bit in like a wrong angle. Yeah, so it's a little bit not straight. Then you obviously, what you do is just twist it and lock it in place, which doesn't want to do that. didn't want to go in and then suddenly out of nowhere just twist it in easily. So yeah, make sure you line all these little pins up and then twist it. Right, so that's the badge in. We'll get on to putting the grill back in. So we need to get it under this plastic. And then basically line all the clips up. Don't force it in without, because it could be that the clips are not lined up and that's why it doesn't want to go in. So once you've got all the clips lined up, basically go around and push them all in until you hear it click. It means it's locked in place. So that's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. Right. So all the clips are locked in. Obviously, it wouldn't be a big deal if one of the clips wasn't clipped in, but what it could do when you put the bumper back on, you could see like an uneven gap somewhere, because obviously like it's quite bendy and stuff. So if you don't clip couple of clips in properly, there might be like a gap in between the grill and the bumper there. So make sure they're all locked in place properly. So we'll fit the radar in. So obviously the bottom part goes in first, goes under there, and then it just locks in the place. Lock in, don't lock in. So that's it. That's it. Put the wires in, put these in so they don't wobble about. That's it in, push these in, and all we've got to do is lock this top bit up. That. Just the parking sensors. That's it. Lock in. Make sure all of these are locked in. Well, both sides, so the parking sensor doesn't come out. Same on the other side. Just put it back on the car. So what we'll do before we put it back on, because it's quite flimsy, so we don't scratch the headlights and the wings, we'll put a bit of tape on there, so we don't put any scratches on the headlights. Obviously taking it off doesn't make much of a difference because you're just pulling it away from the car, where putting it on, obviously you'll have to try to line it up, so potentially could go on the headlight and just put like little scratches on there. So put a bit of tape on. Same for another one. obviously the same thing, just in reverse. So just plug this in. On the side, that's just the parking sensor that needs plugging in. And can try to line it all up. Don't have to like quite tighten them straight away. Just put it in just so the bumper kind of stays in place. You'll have to adjust it afterwards anyways. You need to make sure that it lines up and pushes in the slot. Right, so that's it in place. So for the sides, you don't need to force it because you can potentially damage it. There's a little guide pins everywhere, so they need to freely line up. So there's 2 on there and 2 on the inside there. So you literally need to lift it up and then just guide them in the actual holes where they're supposed to sit. Don't need to force them on anything like that. Right. Start with the top 2. Right, putting it in. Try to be careful not to drop it down there somewhere, because you don't want to take the bumper off again. So try to line it up and just basically screw it in. No. That's it all done. So hope you liked the video. If it was helpful, leave us a comment, let us know. If you like see something different, more close-ups or anything like that, let us know in the comments as well. So that's what it looks like. I think it looks better than before. So yeah, see you in the next one.